Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going to El Faro and the observatory. We are starting with the observatory. They have some cool exotic animals, really good views, and I'm pretty sure there's a restaurant too, so we'll see what all we get into. So let's get into this video. When planning a trip to the observatory, you can either book online or buy tickets in the gift shop when you enter. After you do that, you will go watch a short video about the history of the observatory and its importance to Mazatlan. After watching the video, you can either walk up to the top or ride their little funicular train. I probably butchered that word.
Okay. Up here you can find the museum of the old observatory, the distillery, the agave garden, and the aviary. Every few minutes, every 25 minutes, you can find to my co-workers, they will be explaining about different aspects of those areas, okay? So you can stay here as long as you want and enjoy it.
Settled on top of Cerro del Vigia, the observatory sits 75 meters above sea level. As you just heard, there are tour guides for each area who walk you through and explain the history and/or importance of each space. The museum is furnished with authentic furniture from the late 1800s, and there are many pictures from over the years in Mazatlan. The bar and restaurant seated at the very top of the observatory have beautiful views from anywhere you sit. We didn't eat there this time, so I can't give my food review, but I can definitely tell you that being able to look over the city is absolutely phenomenal. All of the birds in the aviary or sanctuary are rescued from various circumstances.
Oh, hi! I got a bird on my head, Alexa.
You have a bird on your head. Oh. Along with growing my channel, I am trying to build my photography business. All of the photos that you see here and more are available for purchase. You can see more on my website and contact me to order. Link in description.
Yeah, no, Benjamin.
Benjamin. So we're here in the observatory and they have all of the different sections, the aviary, the iguana land, I believe is what they called it, the museum, and amazing views from basically anywhere you stand, and the restaurant upstairs. And they have different guides for each section that every
25 minutes.
They give you little tours of the areas and kind of explain the history of it. And it's really cool. And my favorite part, of course, is the aviary because of all of the birds. You get to be all up close and personal. This is awesome. Definitely recommend coming here if you come to Mazatlan. Okay, so now it is Saturday and we are going to hike El Faro today. So I'm going to take you guys along with this and kind of show you the views of it and all that comes with it. I've heard that there's lots of different things you see along the hike and it is a ton of stairs, so let's go.
Just about everybody suggests that you make this hike early in the morning, and if you don't come prepared with drinks, they do have places to buy it before the hike as well as at this first aid booth right before the stairs. And interestingly, you will likely encounter many cats on this hike.
You'll take all the cats home. He's asleep, you're gonna scare him. Oh, he didn't even wake up.
El Faro is the highest lighthouse in the Americas and one of the highest operating lighthouses in the world. It is located at the peak of Cerro del Creston and it sits 523 feet above high tide. The beacon can be seen for 30 nautical miles and still serves as an important navigational tool to this day. El Faro has become a must-do hike for tourists and locals alike. You can hike at a leisurely pace and get to the top in around 30 minutes.
Trying to kick. No. This is one more. No, more to the left.
To go out on the fully glass lookout known as the Mirador, you have to pay at the bottom of Faro before making the hike, and it costs 30 pesos.
Hey guys, we just hiked El Faro and I'm out of breath still. And we went out on here, which is what I just showed you. And it is super cool view up here. We're gonna sit for a little bit and rest and then make our way back down. But I hope that you guys are enjoying all the views that we are seeing because it is really pretty. We just finished hiking back down El Faro and it was a beautiful view. I forgot to record my opinion on the Mirador, but it's okay. You guys got to see everything that we saw and it was really cool. Definitely a good exercise. Come prepared, bring lots of water, and I hope that you guys enjoyed all of the views of this video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. I will see you guys next week.